Congressman Marcoleta, please.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I still have to include another aspect of inquiry. Kasi hindi lamang po yung social media at saka yung mainstream media. I was also personally victimized by certain survey firms. Nagsasurvey po sila. For example po, yung SWS, kailangan sabihin ko na po. Nag-survey po sila ng third quarter survey last year. And they listed 40 names, senatorial preferences. Nandito po sa akin, ibibigay ko po yung kopya po, reference ng ating committee. There are 40 names mentioned and indicated in that list. Ito po, Mr. Chair. Gusto ko lamang pong emphasize na dito sa apat na pong senatoriables po na kanilang ginamit dito sa survey na to, meron pong 6 na relatively unknown. Babasahin ko po ang pangalan. Adonis Jerome, Andamo Jocelyn, Arambolo Ronel, Doringo Mimi, Floranda Mori, Danilo Ramos. Meron po naman 7 na sikat, Mr. Chair, pero hindi naman nagpahayag po ng pagtakbo bilang senador. Andiyan na po si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte, dating Senador Franklin Drilon, dating Senador Richard Gordon, Harry Roque, dating Vice Presidente Robredo Maria Leonor, at saka po yung ating Secretary of Defense, Gilbert Chodoro. Pero po malinaw dito, Mr. Chair, hindi po nila ako nilagay dito sa 40. Pero no pong yung outcome pong ito ipalabas nila, number 36 po ako. Paano po mangyayari na ako po ay magiging number 36, hindi naman po kasali rito? Ito po yung klase ng mga manipulative surveys na pinaniniwalaan po ng mga tao. Sana po hindi na lang nila ako sinama sapagkat wala naman ako rito. Sino po ba si Adonis Jerome, Andamo Jocelyn, Arambolo Ronel, Doringo Mimi, Floranda Modi, Mr. Kong Barbers, may kilala ka ba rito? Bakit naman po, hindi ko naman po pinagpipilitan na isama nila ako rito. Ang problema, hindi po ako kasama, Mr. Chair, pero nilagay po nila ako doon sa resulta, number 36 ako. Hindi naman po tatama ito. Ito po yung gusto nating i-address lahat. Hindi lamang po social media.
We understand that your predicament,
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Congressman Marcoleta. And,
bibigay ko po yung kopya para sa
and this
referensya po.
representation also doesn't believe that. Because on my own assumption, nasa top 5 ka. So, Mr. Chairman,
Mr. Chairman, just
Mr. Chair.
But kidding aside, no.
Mr. Chair.
Kidding aside. We have to tackle that issue as well. Espoused by Congressman Marcoleta. So we will be inviting over in the next hearing. What survey firm is that? SWS and the Pulsation. Ilan ba yan?
Ito lang muna yung nakita ko.
Because-
At saka yung Manila Broadcasting Corporation.
NBC. Because in the House resolution itself, the House resolution number 2147, it clearly states,
social media lang.
Yeah.
Media lang eh.
Oh, kaya yun lang yung topic natin. But we cannot,
But it was
we are not
delivered. No. Congressman Barbers, you have delivered in your privileged speech a wide, comprehensive approach on this matter.
That
And
is
I think
correct, Mr.
inviting
Chair.
over the survey firm is also correct.
Yeah, maybe we
Because
can
we are tackling
expand.
not only the House Resolution number 2147, we're also tackling 2 privileged speeches that was delivered by you. So I think may basis po yung kay Congressman Marcoleta. Okay, and at the same time, so there's a
Mr. Chair,
noted po yung kay Congressman Marcoleta. Now,
May I now
Congressman
be
Chairman
recognized?
Abante, now you are recognized.
my query is if we have invited a certain Elizabeth Cruz, no, aka Joey De Vibre, Mr. Chair, if we have invited her and she has an excuse letter, may I know what was the excuse, Mr. Chairman?
Consec, please answer the query of Congressman Abante. Please.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Miss Elizabeth Joy Cruz was invited and she sent an excuse letter via email.
Ano po yung kanyang excuse letter? Ano yung dahilan?
One moment, sir. I'll get it from the chair. Thank you.
Mr. Chair,
Comsec, can you kindly also try to tell us those resource persons who have not attended?
particularly I am referring to AKA Joe DeVivre. Sa pag...
Congressman Abante.
Katutuloy ko lang po tayo.
Mr. Chairman, Congressman, don't be so personal. Let's be more comprehensive on this approach.
Yeah,
Please.
binabasa ko lang eh.
Oh, sige, go ahead. I'll give you
Pangalawa, November 13, 2024, nagmura na naman siya. Hindi ko na babanggitin yung mura niya. Pag tinatanong kung anong legislation ginawa niyo in relation to this BS, ano ba yung BS? BS inquiry, sasagot ka, paswelduhan ka ng taxpayers, gago. November 3, 2024, si Benny Abante at si Romel Marbil ay mga protektor ng illegal na droga dahil pilit nilang pinalalabas na hindi ito ganun kasama. Oh. Tapos, sabing ganyan, si Dan Fernandez and Ace Barber's survey are depressing. Alam na nila na matatalo sila sa eleksyon. So what is the hearing for? Smoke screen for the Biscam. Tinabi ko ito sapagkat matindi po itong mga akusasyon na ibinigay nitong gusto ko nilang magmura eh. Hindi na ako bumumura muna. Oo. Kailangan po, itong mga to, ang tatapang nila eh. Ang tatapang sa pagmumura, nang wala tayong kalaban-laban. Ngayon, pag kaharap dito, hindi makaharap dito. Oo. Mga takot din pala yung mga yan eh.
Please hold your fire, please.
Hindi,
Mr. Chairman.
I'm holding my
We're
fire.
just on the process of administrative, ano pa lang muna tayo, Congressman Abante. We can tackle that on the interpellation.
Hindi, Mr. Chair, gusto ko lang pong bagitin tong kanya excuse letter. O nakalagay dito, after meaningful consultation with my lawyers, gumaya pa ng abogado. I have decided to respectfully decline. Respectfully? Minumura tayo, respectfully? To share my knowledge on matters. Hindi knowledge ang kailangan natin.
Ask the lawyer if this is like...
Oo. Ask the lawyers kung libelous yung ginawa niyo o slander. No, O nakalagay, I would like to categorically state that I am neither paid by POGO operators. Hindi na pinag-uusapan. Pinag-uusapan natin yung mga sinabi niya. Tapos respectfully, Elizabeth Joey Cruz. Nga nakikinig po sa atin ngayon, nanonood ngayon. Humarap ka dito, kumatapang ka. Hirap sa iyo nagmumura ka nang dyan na wala kaming kalaban-laban. Humarap ka dito. Dito. Namo.
Chairman. Mr. Chairman.
No, wait. Quiet.
Chairman.
Please observe, refrain from laughing or whatever expression you wanted to, please observe decency and, of course,
Mr. Chair, I move that
with all
we
due
strike
wait.
out.
With all due respect, with all due respect with Congressman Abante, I feel your sentiment, I feel your sentiment, but we are in the process of finding out the, yung pong implementation of the 10175. And I respect your freedom of expression, but what I'm trying to tell you is to refrain from the fire that you wanted to